Welcome to You May Not Know. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to make money online or start a new side hustle. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or transition to a full-time gig, I've got you covered. We'll break down different methods, the costs to get started, the pros and cons, and how much time you'll need to invest. So, let's get straight to the point. First up, let's talk about freelancing, which is one of the quickest ways to start earning money online, especially if you have a specific skill. Freelance work can range from writing and graphic design to web development and even virtual assistants. You can offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, where clients post jobs that match your expertise. Here's the great thing: freelancing has very low startup costs. Essentially, all you need is a computer and a reliable internet connection. If your work requires specific software like Adobe Creative Suite for graphic design or a coding environment for programming, that might add to your initial investment, but it's still fairly low compared to other business models. The flexibility of freelancing is a major draw. You set your own hours, choose the projects that interest you, and can work from anywhere. Over time, as you build a portfolio and gather positive reviews, you can raise your rates and take on higher-paying projects. However, the freelancing world is highly competitive, especially on major platforms where clients often receive dozens of proposals for a single job. This means you'll need to put in extra effort initially to stand out. A key tip for beginners: specialize in a niche. For example, instead of just offering graphic design, focus on a book cover design or brand identity for small businesses. Niching down can help you become the go-to expert in a specific area, making it easier to attract clients. In terms of time commitment, when you're starting out, you might spend around 2 to 8 hours a day on freelance projects, including searching for jobs, sending proposals, and completing work. This could translate to 10 to 40 hours a week, depending on whether you're freelancing part-time or aiming to make it a full-time career. Remember, building a solid client base takes time, so patience and persistence are key. Next up, let's dive into dropshipping, which has become a popular e-commerce model, especially for those looking to start a business without the hassles of inventory management. In dropshipping, you set up an online store, list products from suppliers, and when a customer orders, the supplier ships the product directly to them. This means you don't have to worry about storing, packaging, or shipping products. Setting up a dropshipping business typically requires an initial investment of around $100 to $500. This covers setting up your website. Shopify is a popular platform, but there are others like WooCommerce or BigCommerce, buying a domain name and running initial ads to drive traffic. The main advantage of dropshipping is that it's relatively easy to scale. If you find a product that sells well, you can increase your ad spend and grow your sales quickly. However, dropshipping isn't without its challenges. For one, profit margins can be thin, especially after you factor in the cost of goods, shipping, and marketing. Additionally, because you're not handling the products yourself, quality control can be an issue, and you'll need to be prepared to handle customer service issues. To increase your chances of success, focus on finding a niche market where you can stand out. Instead of selling generic products that everyone else is selling, look for unique items or bundle offers that provide more value. For example, instead of just selling yoga mats, you could create a yoga starter kit that includes a mat, a water bottle, and an instructional DVD. Managing a dropshipping business usually requires about 1 to 3 hours of your time each day, which includes handling customer service inquiries and fulfilling orders. Weekly, you might spend 10 to 15 hours on marketing efforts and researching new products. As your business grows, you may also want to reinvest profits into better marketing strategies, or even hiring help to manage daily operations. Another lucrative option for making money online is selling digital products. These could be ebooks, online courses, printables like planners or worksheets, or even software. The beauty of digital products is that they can be created once and sold repeatedly, making them a great source of passive income. The startup costs for selling digital products are generally low, ranging from $50 to $300. This might include software for creating your product, a website or platform to sell it on, and possibly some marketing tools to help promote your product. For example, if you're creating an online course, platforms like Teachable or Udemy can host your course for a fee, but they also handle payment processing, customer support, and even some marketing. One of the biggest advantages of digital products is the potential for high profit margins. Once the product is created, your ongoing costs are minimal, so most of the sales price goes straight into your pocket. However, creating a high-quality digital product requires a significant time investment up front. You'll need to do market research to ensure there's demand for your product, create the content, and then market it effectively. A helpful tip for selling digital products is to focus on solving a specific problem for your audience. For instance, if you're an expert in personal finance, you could create a budgeting course or a set of financial planning templates. The more specific your product, the easier it will be to target and attract your ideal customers. After launching, you'll likely spend 1 to 2 hours a day on marketing and customer service. Initially, you might invest more time, perhaps 5 to 10 hours a week, creating and refining your product. Over time, the maintenance required will decrease, but you'll still need to promote your product regularly to keep sales steady. If you're someone who enjoys sharing ideas, experiences, or skills, then blogging or vlogging might be the right path for you. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel allows you to build an audience around a topic you're passionate about, whether it's travel, technology, cooking, or lifestyle. As your audience grows, so do your opportunities to monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. The startup costs for blogging or vlogging are relatively low. For blogging, you might need to spend around $50 to $300 to get a domain name, web hosting, and a decent theme for your blog. For vlogging, you'll need some basic equipment like a camera, microphone, and possibly some lighting, which could also fall within the $50 to $300 range. One of the biggest advantages of content creation is the potential for multiple income streams. For example, as a blogger, you can earn from display ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate links. As a YouTuber, you can monetize through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and viewer donations on platforms like Patreon. However, the key to success in content creation is consistency. It takes time to build an audience, and you'll need to regularly post high-quality content to keep them engaged. SEO is also crucial for blogging, and learning the basics of video editing can make a big difference if you're vlogging. A tip for new bloggers or vloggers: focus on providing value to your audience. Whether you're teaching them something new, offering entertainment, or solving a problem, the more value you provide, the faster your audience will grow. Expect to spend about 2 to 4 hours a day on content creation and promotion. Weekly, this could translate to 10 to 20 hours of work, especially if you're doing everything yourself. As your audience grows, you may be able to outsource some tasks like video editing or blog management, freeing up more of your time. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to generate income online, particularly if you already have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following. Essentially, you promote products or services to your audience, and when they make a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. You get paid, and your audience gets recommendations for products they're interested in. The startup costs for affiliate marketing are minimal, often ranging from $50 to $200. This usually covers the cost of setting up a website or landing page where you can promote your affiliate products. The best part about affiliate marketing is that it can become a source of passive income. Once your content is live and optimized for search engines, it can continue to attract traffic and generate sales for months or even years with minimal ongoing effort. However, the amount you earn depends on the traffic your content receives and the conversion rate of the products you're promoting. Some affiliate programs offer high commissions, especially in niches like finance or software, while others may offer lower rates. To increase your chances of success, focus on promoting products that are relevant to your audience and that you genuinely believe in. Authenticity goes a long way in affiliate marketing, and your audience will be more likely to trust your recommendations if they know you've actually used and benefited from the products yourself. On a daily basis, you might spend 1 to 2 hours monitoring your affiliate performance, updating content, and looking for new opportunities. Weekly, you might invest 5 to 10 hours creating new content, optimizing existing content for SEO, and experimenting with different marketing strategies to increase your affiliate sales. Lastly, let's talk about online tutoring and teaching, which is an excellent way to make money online, especially if you have expertise in a specific subject. This could be anything from teaching English as a second language to tutoring in math, science, or even coding. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Wazant connect you with students who need help, making it easy to start earning. The startup costs for online tutoring are typically very low, often between $0 and $200. You'll need a computer, a reliable internet connection, and perhaps a webcam if you're teaching through video. Depending on the subject, You might also need some teaching materials or certifications, especially if you're teaching a specialized subject like test prep or professional skills. Online tutoring has several advantages. First, there's a high demand for skilled tutors, especially in areas like test prep, language learning, and STEM subjects. This means you can set your own rates, work from home, and have a flexible schedule. Additionally, tutoring is incredibly rewarding. You're helping others learn and grow, which can be very fulfilling. However, online tutoring also requires a consistent time commitment. Students will expect you to be available at specific times, and you'll need to prepare lesson plans, grade assignments, and potentially deal with different time zones if you're teaching internationally. A tip for aspiring online tutors: start by specializing in a specific subject or exam prep area. This not only helps you stand out in a crowded market but also allows you to charge higher rates. For example, if you're great at SAT math, focus on that instead of trying to tutor every subject. You can expect to spend 2 to 6 hours a day tutoring, depending on your availability and the number of students you take on. Weekly, this could mean 10 to 20 hours, including prep time and lesson planning. The more specialized your subject, the more you can charge, potentially allowing you to work fewer hours for the same income. These are just a few ways you can start making money online or begin a side hustle. Each method has its pros and cons, startup costs, and time commitments, so choose the one that fits your lifestyle and goals. Remember, consistency is key. Success won't happen overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please share with friends and family to help this channel grow. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon for more You May Not Know videos every Thursday. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.